Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I've always wanted to say that. Hold on a minute.
Have you heard of the good news? Down here, we're holy guacamole.
As you would have guessed, today we're making fresh, authentic guacamole. And the star of the show is obviously going to be some avocado, so here's how to tell that it's perfectly ripe. You don't want this part right here to be brown because then it's overripe, and then on the inside it might be blackish and inedible. Secondly is the color. It should be dark, almost dark green. If it's bright green, then that's how you know it's not ready. This one's perfectly ripe, and this one, although still green, it's on the darker side, but I'm still gonna use it because I think it's good. And the most important method is you gotta squeeze it, and if it gives a little bit, then that's how you know it's also ripe. Let's say this one was green and you try to squeeze it, it would be hard as a rock. And you should leave it on the counter for a couple of days in a paper bag so that it can ripen quicker. This is a volcanic stone molcajete, but hey, I ain't discriminating. If you wanna use a granite one or maybe even a wooden one, that can work too. This one's for the boys. The first thing we're gonna do is chop up some jalapeños, and if you know me, you gotta wear gloves. Protect them privates, I'm telling you. Then goes in half of the onions, you'll see why half in a minute. Little bit of that ocean, and finally some lime juice. Limes that are smoother typically tend to have more juice in it, so if it's like wrinkly and it's not as smooth, chances are there's not as much juice. The lime juice helps turn it from this to this. It's like a paste. Man, get those forearms working. Come on, our ancestors used to do everything by hand, papi. Are my cheeks jiggling a lot? Kind of self-conscious about that a little bit. Oh, I'm hurt. Now the soap goes in. I mean the cilantro. Man, I'm sorry some of y'all really taste soap. That's actually crazy to me. Now we are ready for the
Holy guacamole.
And a lot of people like to do a lot of different techniques on how to open it. Just move the avocado. You don't even have to move the knife. You see, splits perfectly anyways. And it's a lot safer. The most dangerous part is when you go like, yeah, for the pit and taking it off. Don't do it with the tip. Do it with this part, the bottom. That way you have more control, like, then you twist it out. Kobe! Buckets? No, I ain't bull crapping you. I gotta test it to see if it's poya. Yeah, that was good here. And now all that beautiful, beautiful avocado goes in. Be patient, and with the tejolote, just kind of give it a little bit of love, little love taps like that. It'll all start to come together, you'll see. And now would be the perfect time to check for salt or citrus. That is delicious, but needs a little bit more salt. Ooh, I cursed. I meant a little bit of ocean. And remember when we saved half of the onion? That's so that we can have some texture in there. Half of it is grinded, half of it is nice and chunky. Mix that up real good. Then at the end, I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of cilantro, just to make it a little bit more vibrant. And you've probably never seen this before, but we're gonna add a little bit of the zest of the lime. This is just gonna perfume it nicely, something very unexpected, but very pleasant. And that's authentic guacamole made inside of a molcajete. I don't have any chips, but I'm just gonna go and roll like that. We're gonna see what it's about. Chipotle couldn't do that, I don't care. And at $5 a scoop, nah, you playing. It's just not the same thing. This is how to properly store it so that it doesn't turn brown. We're gonna put it in a bowl that's not too big, but just the right size. We're gonna flatten that out just a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you a little secret. Stop it from oxidizing and turning it brown. We're gonna just put a small layer of lime juice on the top. Go ahead, get that everywhere. And with a piece of plastic, we're gonna go up in there with it, and then we're gonna remove that excess air. See how the plastic is making contact? That means that there's not air in between that and the plastic, so it won't turn brown as fast. Guys, I know I came back with just a guacamole video, and it's been about 3 months since my long form upload, but I appreciate y'all rocking with me over on the short side. And to be honest with you, I would have left me. But y'all real ones, and y'all know this. I don't gotta say it. If you guys enjoy, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow. Do whatever you gotta do, alright? Your boy's not cutting this out, I don't care. Lime.
Have you heard of the good news? Have you heard of the good news?